Hello everyone, I am Momita Deb and you are watching Doodle Moments. Welcome to the April planner video. I hope this time I am not too late to upload this video. This month's planner theme is very special to me. Actually, I was thinking about creating this one since a very long time. I think I have planned it on last year as well, but maybe that time I skipped due to some reason. But this year I thought that on April 2022 I will have this theme. So it's a honeybee theme, and why it is special because like those who don't know, the meaning of my name is honeybee. So yeah, that's why I thought of creating this one. And also like it's very vibrant, it's a colorful theme and kind of a summery theme. So yeah, that is why I also picked this up for this month. I hope that this will give me more motivation to go on April to work more, and yeah, and have a great April summer kind of time. The notebook which I am using over here is created by Doodle Moments, that is by me. So if you also wish to get one copy for yourself, then you can DM me on my Instagram handle. I'll mention the link over the description box. So yeah, do check that out. If you are creating this journal for yourself, then please remember that you do not need to have this exact same stationeries which I am using over the video. You can use any orange color, any yellow, some black, and you can use any notebook and you are good to go. Just give it a try. Like, I can assure you that the process of creating this journal is itself very soothing, very calmful, and like it's kind of a meditation as per me. So give it a try. It's very easy and anyone can try it. For the cover page, I just kept it very colorful. As you can see, I added few honeybees, and this one is really very special. This is a little cute one which has a little face. So yeah, I really loved it. And also I have added the calendar. This time I haven't added any quote over here because I kept that portion for my next page. So yeah, it's pretty simple, vibrant, and a summer kind of theme. On this page I add goal of the month. Also I add the creative post plannings, like what I'm going to post on YouTube or what I'm going to post on my Instagram handle. All those things I just add over there. Also I mention all the events, and this page also has a little portion where I add the affirmation for the whole month. This page I really do check out on a daily basis. So this is the most important page of my monthly journal. I try to keep it very simple, no fancy stuff over here so that anyone can try it. The next page is all about habit tracking. So I believe that each and every tracker should have this page, because sometimes we all need to track few habits of ourselves, like water goal, exercise, meditation. So this one page can give you the overview of all your habits. You can just follow this layout and add habits as per your convenience. Like for me, reading, meditation, these things which I regularly track, but it might not be same for your case. So please add it as per your like daily need. Good habits are something which make a person wise. So it is very important to have a proper plan of your day, and your day cannot be complete with a habit list. Like, you might be enthusiastic about having exercise, or maybe you like to read something, or maybe you just love to go for a jog or something like that. Anything, whichever suits you, just add into your tracker. Keep on tracking that how much effort you have added on that particular category. Trust me, at the end of the month, you will feel like, yes, I have achieved something. The next page is for my sleep tracker and mood tracker. So you can skip this one, or also you can have it if you wish to. I am having a bit challenge to have a proper sleep cycle because of my work. So that's why I am trying to follow this process since past 2 months, and yeah, like somehow I have corrected my sleep cycle, but yeah, not 100%. It's like only 10 to 20%. So if you know some way to correct the sleep cycle, then please let me know on the comment section below. I really want to try something and I really want to correct my sleep cycle. Now this is the weekly planner. So previously I used to follow a different format. So it was like a week overview. So one page used to have only 1 week, but now I have changed this format because on that way it was kind of a page wastage, because sometimes I do skip few days. I do not write on this journal for few days. So yeah, like I really don't want to waste any more pages. So this time I'm going to follow a continuous process. So as you can see, on this same page only I have added 3 days of week 1, and then I am going to continue the second week. So I'm going to follow this format for throughout this month. This is something new which I'm trying. Let's see whether it's a hit or miss. So yeah, let's give it a try. Also, I kept a note box where I will add few quick notes or maybe something which I want to carry forward for the upcoming week. So that part also I have added. This is also very new to me. I haven't used this format. Previously it was like a simple box thing and I just add dates and I write the to-do of that particular day. But this time I'm trying this thing out. I'm having some note, and also this overall theme is very cute. Here is the flip through of the overall journal. If you like this theme, then please give it a try. Create one for yourself and click amazing picture. Tag me on my Instagram handle. I would love to share them over my stories. Also, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload videos about art, travel, books and many more things.